I used to think I had a discipline problem, setting big goals, map out the plan, and then stall. Not because I was lazy, because I was still trying to execute strategies that belonged to the past version of me, one who equated pressure with purpose, urgency with value, being busy with being worthy. So when my pace slowed, I panicked. But I wasn't falling behind, I was just shedding a skin. I learned that misalignment masquerades as procrastination. You don't need more hustle, you need a check in with your identity. Ask yourself, what kind of person does this strategy assume I am? And be honest, does it still fit? Because if you're trying to operate from an old identity, your body will resist, your energy will leak, and your motivation will vanish.